Hello, fantastic AIU students. Dr. Stan Reilly here, and I wanted to take this brief opportunity to say welcome to our course this term. Uh, I'm really looking forward to getting to know each of you better, and even though we'll be spending a very short amount of time together, and hopefully it'll seem to fly by, that's a good sign, right? We're going to be covering many relevant real-world type issues and variables in the workplace today that I think that you're going to be able to um, uh, build upon and apply into your career, whether it's the one that you're currently in or one that you are seeking ahead after college. All right, well, I have about 18 years experience working in healthcare administration, and that was what I did prior to going back to school, just like you all are doing, to earn my degree so that I could teach college. And I've been teaching college about the same amount of time. Loving every bit of it. My wife and I have moved to the mountains of western North Carolina, and we are enjoying the Four Seasons. Not the singing group, but of course the four distinct seasons that are here that we did not have before, where we previously lived in Columbia, South Carolina. But nevertheless, it's great to be here, teaching online, working with each of you. Be sure to peruse the course shell thoroughly and look for all of the materials that are provided in each weekly module. Also, note how to get in touch with me, and let me just tell you that email works best, all right? So try that first before calling. Of course, I am always happy to hear from you, but email does work best. All right, that's really all I had to say at this early juncture of our time together, except once again, a big welcome. And thank you for being a part of AIU and our course experience here. Take care. Have a great first week. Bye-bye.